Hey, what is up, guys? It's LightningDude42 here, and I'm back again to bring you guys another reaction video. As you can see, this is my costume for Halloween. I am Meowscarada from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. I got this costume at Etsy.com. It's really cool looking, I have to say. Of course, the neck brace I couldn't get because it was too expensive, and you see, this was made by my mom. And it really matches it. Really cool. Anyways, for today's reaction, since it's Halloween, we're going to be reacting to an Ed and Eddie Halloween. Of course, this is based from Boo Ha Ha. It's called Ed Gets Diabeetus from Halloween Candy, a collab entry by Satoshi U. Ray. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Leaf. It's Snoopy.
Can you believe the nerve of this guy?
Ouch.
Dishing out detentions on Halloween!
Reap what you sow, Eddie. You filled the teacher's desk with
shit! Come on! I got something that's gonna make this the coolest Halloween ever!
Ooh, haha. Now risk copyright.
You're never gonna believe this! Look what I got!
Really? Directs?
Good Lord! Look at all these sex tapes!
Sex tape?
Sitting in front of a television for excessive periods of time can induce a trance-like state and even rewire
SpongeBob
a
season?
brain.
Oh, not season 6.
What brain?
Well, I see atrocious penmanship runs in the family.
Hi, Guardian Spice.
Don't get too close to me, or I may infect you! Open fire!
That's... The potion's ready, my sister's sweet. Let's give those boys a nice little treat. A few more stirs and we declare. We wishes will give them a real good scare.
If that's a Halloween, they'll never forget!
What the fuck?
Trick or treat! Happy Halloween!
I got it wrong.
Charlie Brown. Aliens. That's from Looney Tunes.
Goodness gracious! Where's Jimmy's candy?
Oh, buzz off from nowhere.
You shall not feast upon our life's blood this eve, lady!
What?
A snake will defeat you! Hey, wait a minute! Double D's got the map!
Ew, that's gross.
Spookyville, Ed!
Thank you! This stuff's like gonna go straight to my thighs.
You show the lights that stop me, turn to stone.
You guys are totally in for it! That was so uncool!
Ow.
It says here, the next clue to look for is an abandoned hearse. How silly. Where on earth would we find...
Man, I love Christmas!
No. The
One more to go.
A headless horseman from cirrhosis on the Liverpool!
wasted.
There's a gazillion stupid birds! Stupid bird.
Owls.
The spider creature is a horrific, but
Ugh,
sadly
that's so
misunderstood
creepy.
monster who longs for companionship.
Far out costumes, guys!
Spiders!
Get off me. Get him off. Pretty sure.
My swamp!
Dishonor on your whole family. Dishonor on you. Dishonor on your cow.
It is he!
You're freaking playing.
Team.
Take that! And this!
That's-
And this!
And
And that!
that.
SpongeBob! Destroyer of evil!
Take it easy. It's just a drawing.
Rise and take 10 steps backwards.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10! Is my brother a jerk or what?
Wait till the movie.
Was right. Roll sees them.
You're in trouble, Ed.
That's what should have happened in the actual special.
Want a handful of some sugar-coated bonbons?
What?
This is the coolest Halloween ever!
Well. Okay. Well, that was quite special. Kind of a weird ending, but I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this video. If you did, just hit that like button. Subscribe and comment on which video I should react to next. And till next time, guys, this is LightningDude42 signing off, and have a happy and safe Halloween. Later.